Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I quickly would like to talk about how to approve the blog comments, and it is going to be super simple. Now, in the Click and Capture Studio, we do have the blogs which we have written, right? It is about the wedding photography as well as South Indian bridal reception look. Now, when anybody across the globe who read the wedding photography blog, now when they leave some comment, how are we going to approve it so that it will be visible on the blog forever until we again delete it? Now, what I want to do quickly, I want to open an incognito mode, and then I want to navigate to clickandcapturestudio.com, and then I want to navigate to the blog, and then I want to open the wedding photography blog. And once the blog has been opened, maybe imagine that I'm one of the users and I have read the complete blog and I felt the blog is very useful. So what I wanted to do, I want to just appreciate the person who written the blog. So I want to leave a small comment, and maybe imagine that comment is well written blog, very useful. And then here I want to give the name, maybe Cecile, and then I want to give the email. I want to leave my email, and finally I have to give website name as well. And in my scenario, I want to give the website name as Edurself.in. And what I want to do, let me quickly open a new tab, and then I want to take the copy of my website, and then I want to paste it right here. And once it is done, I want to click on post comment. Now as we can see, we have posted the comment, but it is not visible on the blog yet. It is stating that your comment is still in process, awaiting for the confirmation. Got it? Now imagine that we are from Click and Capture Studio. How are we going to approve the comment which we received for the blogs? Now, in order to do that, quickly I want to navigate to Click and Capture Studio, and then I want to navigate to the WordPress admin dashboard panel. And just in case if you do not see these options, all you have to do is right after the website, you have to enter /wp-admin, and then you have to enter your WordPress admin username and password so that you will be landed on the WordPress admin dashboard page. And once you have landed on this page, from the left side section you have to find the option comments. Here we can see that we got a new comment, and we have to click on comments. And once we have entered into the comments page, we have to scroll down a little bit so that clearly we can see that one of the user Cecile, and we can see the email, we can see the website, and then the comment written by Cecile. Well written blog, very useful. Now as a Click and Capture Studio owner, since someone have left a positive review on my blog which we have written or posted, since I like it, what I want to do, I want to click on approve so that this particular comment will be visible on the blog forever. Now quickly I want to open the incognito mode, and then I want to give a page refresh so that we can see your comment is awaiting moderation. This particular message will be disappeared because the owner of the Click and Capture Studio blog has been approved my comment. Well written blog, very useful. Now quickly I want to do a page refresh. Now here we can see our comment has been visible. Any other users across the globe, or maybe from Hyderabad, if they read this particular blog and if they come to the comment section, they will be able to see the blog that I have written. And the most important thing here is when someone clicks on this particular profile, what will happen? Since we have given the website Edurself.in, now let me click on this profile. Now the most important thing, when someone clicks on the name, what will happen? Since we have given our website name Edurself.in, now let me click on Cecile. It will directly open a new page, and it will take us to Edurself.in. And by the way, this is the website which I have created in less than 2 to 3 hours of time. And I have not used WordPress at all. And it's completely generated using AI, and it's going to be super simple. If you really wanted to create such beautiful website, one for yourself, I want you to join for my paid classes. Maybe it will be very useful to you. Now you have understand how we can approve the blog comments, and it is so simple, right? If you really find my videos helpful, I want you to continue watching all my digital marketing classes. It will be super simple. And by the way, if anybody watching my video for the very first time, and if you want to learn digital marketing completely for free from the very basics, you can directly navigate to Edurself YouTube channel, and you can find 2025 digital marketing playlist where I have did more than hundreds of videos. And I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.